Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be building a sugar rocket using an empty CO2 cartridge from an airsoft gun. First I begin by clamping it in the vise and removing the end using a hacksaw. Next I'm going to drill the nozzle using a 6mm drill bit. Next, we're going to take some sandpaper and smoothen the edges. This will make it easier and safer to work with. Next, we're going to take a block of solid wood, drill a hole in the middle of it to recess our CO2 cartridge. Now we're going to take our sugar fuel. This is potassium nitrate and of course sugar, and load it into our cartridge. I found this wooden dowel. I'm going to use it as a ramrod to compact the mixture. I'm making sure not to fully fill it up to the top, as I want to leave some room for some clay as an end cap. This will contain all the pressure and stop it from shooting out the other end. Next, we're going to drill the core out. I would usually use a drill bit, but since it's metal on metal, we're not going to do that to avoid sparks. First, I'm going to use a stick to remove the first bit of it where the nozzle is. Now I'm going to take a drill bit and some heat shrink wrap and shrink it around. This will prevent friction between both metals and chances of sparking. Nice, we got the core all drilled out. All there is left to do is add a fuse and a stick and we're ready to go. Wow, that took off with some impressive speed. Also came down pretty quickly too. A foam nose cone would be a good idea. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more.